Hello, I'm Michael with WriterSanctuary. Now, recently I was asked how to add advanced ads to block themes in WordPress. It's actually a relatively simple process that would probably take you a couple seconds to implement. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is go to our WordPress website. I'm going to click on Appearance and Editor. This is the full site editor for your block themes. Not every theme supports full site editing. Then from here we have our home page. And if you're curious, this is what it looks like on the home page at the moment. As you can see, it's kind of bland. But what if I wanted to add advanced ads to it? Now, advanced ads is the plugin I use for sharing affiliate banners, AdSense, a whole slew of different kinds of advertisement for your website. So let's say I want to put it right at the very bottom. So I'm going to click on the end of the content, which will open up the editor. We're going to click into it, hit the enter button, and then on the right, we're going to click on the add a block. Then from here, I'm going to scroll until I find, well, let's see, advanced ads. There we go, advanced ads. And then with advanced ads, I'm going to select the group that I made, which is in content. You can create all kinds of groups. That's a video for another day. Or you can select individual ads. Like in this case, I have a temp banner that I just whipped up for this video. But for now, we're just going to hit in content, and then I'm going to save it. Now that the page has been updated, if we go back to the home page and refresh it, we now see that I have my banner at the bottom. This one here, yeah, I'm going to show you what happened there. So in the creator here, if I scroll down, I added it to this block. Now you can add just about anything to the footer. It also depends on the theme that you're using. In this case, I'm using 2024 directly from WordPress. So I'm going to click in the footer. I'm going to click on edit. And then from here, you can click on any of the blocks to add whatever you'd like to it. In this case, I added the advanced ads, which used my large 728 or 728 by 60 or 90 or something like that. The default banner size. Well, that was way too big, so I want to delete that. And that will be gone. We hit save. Now the template part has been updated. If we reload our page, it's gone. Now the reason why it was too big for that footer was because that the banner size was like 768. It's pretty wide. So if you do have a footer that you can add an advertisement to, or you'd like to add an advertisement to, you'd want to make sure that the footer's sections are wide enough for your advertisement, or essentially your advertisement is wide enough for your footer. Otherwise, it bleeds over through all the rest of the block. Personally, I don't know if I'd ever use an advertisement in a footer or a header. If you use it in the header, it's just something extra that's going to slow down the site because it's above the fold, and you'll have to load third-party assets if you're using an affiliate or AdSense, or it'd have to load up extra images if that's what you're loading up is more images. So anything above the fold, I'm kind of leery about doing, but it's your website, so you can do whatever you like to it. Something else you can do when you're doing your editing is you can hit the enter, and instead of hitting this gray block here, you can use the blue one, and then you can scroll through all the different blocks that you've got available. Each plugin adds more or adds more to WordPress. So you can essentially add anything you'd like. You can create columns. You can actually get pretty elaborate with what you want to do in full site editing. So let's say that we just want something for the hell of it. I'm going to throw in, how about a affiliate X single product? There, I can add a product if I'd like. But I'm not going to. Let's delete that. No, good times. All right, we'll just do it the old-fashioned way. Delete. There we go. And then when we're done, we just hit save, and then we can just go back to the full site editor screen by clicking on the WordPress at the top left, and you're good to go. From here, you can make templates, patterns, or additional pages if you'd like. Essentially, adding blocks to the full site editor and a block theme is identical to how you would do it in WordPress in Gutenberg. You just select the block that you'd like to use and throw it in your web page. And from there, you can move it around, delete it, make edits if it has options available. But it's pretty quick and easy. I don't use block themes mostly because I pay for Theme Grill themes, and I am debating on whether I can save myself $120 a year by creating my own. But until then, I really don't have time to do it. But in any case, I hope that's helpful. I know I kind of rushed through a little bit, but it is fairly easy to do. And the only reason why I rushed is because I'm kind of short on time today. So I do apologize. If you need further details, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see if I can make a better video for you later on. But it is pretty quick and easy. Anywho, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. For more videos about blogging, self-publishing, freelance writing, or anything else I cover, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I think it's going to do it for me today. I got to get back to work. I'll see you next time.